So before we start with the code, I'm gonna take this URL and put it in a browser. Basically here we're doing a get method on the REST endpoint of the OpenWeather map. Again, for more details on OpenWeather map and the queries you can use and the URLs you can use, basically, you can check that in Appendix D in the workbook. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that here, and I'm gonna run this URL. So I just did a get method. Again, we're authenticating using the app ID they provide us. So when we run that, we receive a JSON response, and we're getting forecasted weather data for the next 5 days every 3 hours. So you can see here, for each value we're getting temperature, we're getting the wind speed. Okay, so the temperature is returned in Kelvin. So we're gonna have to convert that to Fahrenheit because that's what our machine learning model expects. The wind speed is returned in meters per second, and that's what our machine learning model expects. So we wouldn't have to modify that. And we have a date text here, dt underscore text. So this returns a text representation of the date. So you can see here that's the first date returned for the first value, and then that's the next one, and so on. So they're separated by 3 hours. Okay, so I'm going to close that, and I'm going to call this request now in the code. So I'm going to run this, and then I'm going to return, I'm going to display that in JSON format, display the response in JSON format. You can see it more clearly here. So you can see the temperature again in Kelvin. You can see the wind speed, and you can see the date. Okay, so this is the first date returned, and so the other values are here. So this one is after 3 hours, and so on.